No one will argue that luck is a strange and sometimes unfair thing, but no one will deny that even the most unlucky person has white stripes when everything goes completely as planned. Today you will see these lucky ones. Let's go.
You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
I do not know what is wrong with this tractor driver, but the most important thing here is that he did not injure anyone. I hope that the man will still learn how to manage his transport. These people are brave, of course, but they are not gifted with intelligence. Personally, I would be angry if I were a racer, and how would you react? Write in the comments. It was at this moment that the guy's head itched. What is it if not luck? This is definitely not what the guys ordered. Well, maybe this cafe has such a reaction test. The guy was very lucky because he managed to get out of the elevator. That's just looking at his workplace. I have a question, is this really a job? It looks like he was sent to an abandoned building to carry bags. The man called himself a taxi, but it seems that the driver was too carried away by the speed of the service that he already forgot about the quality. This girl only needs her hands to catch a fish. Have you ever seen what happens to a tire if it is inflated too much? If not, then take a look at this. That's why you should always be on the alert while driving, so never get in the car sleepy. This guy did everything so confidently that I immediately knew how it would end. It seems to me that his place is on the football field and not in some incomprehensible tunnel. Playing billiards on two tables requires real skill. The t-shirt saved this man from a nightmare. It seems to me that next time he will need to wear a bulletproof vest. This is the real Captain America. Just look at this. I hope that it is not his salary that is being sent to him in this way. My palms were sweating while I was watching this video. The employee did well, did not upset me. But he still needs to be careful so that such situations no longer arise. If this guy had been a little slower, he would have gotten a free haircut right now. Fortunately, luck turned to him today. This man was not afraid to risk his health for the sake of saving a girl who was almost hit by a car. This skier made the right decision by checking the slope. Who knows what would have happened to him if he had gone ahead. I am sincerely glad that the young guys made comments to the woman. The only sad thing is that young people teach adults the rules of traffic regulations. The girl was just waiting for the bus. Fortunately, she managed to react and ran away. How glad I am that this man managed to go outside, and imagine what would have happened if the door had jammed. Watching this video, I instantly remembered a scene from the movie Final Destination. Have you guessed what moment I'm talking about? If yes, then write in the comments. That's how easy it is to get noodles for a whole month. The great white shark decided to play with the fisherman and tickled his legs. Maybe she takes care that he does not stand for a long time, or he will freeze. Luck combined with skill can allow this guy to do whatever he wants. It seems to me that this driver needs to be filmed in Fast and Furious and not work as a trucker. He has just reached his potential. Show this video to your friends and family who often cross the road at a red traffic light. The guy was lucky that he managed to notice the train. I'm afraid to imagine what would have happened to him if not for luck. The guy just almost took a free ride to the center of the earth. The girl just wanted to get into the house, but it looks like Snow has other plans. How lucky she was that nothing fell on her head. It would be very cold. I do not know how she did it, but it looks very epic. Have you had the same moments? Write in the comments. The guy deserves an Oscar for best cinematography. He didn't stop filming on his phone when a giant avalanche was coming at him. Fortunately, he was able to dig himself out and save the rest of the tourists buried in snow. When quarantine began in March 2020, people started inventing different challenges to somehow entertain themselves. But what this guy has learned is just some kind of madness. Or the usual luck? What do you think? At that moment, Nick Magnate realized that he had big problems. Fortunately, Nick was able to stand on skis and descend without a single scratch. Only in Russia could such a thing happen. The men stopped the truck in the mud, and one of them decided to climb under it, and what could have gone wrong? If you are afraid of flying and prefer to travel by bus, this video will change your phobias. The boys were jumping on a trampoline when one of them seemed to want to fly to Mars, but unlike Elon Musk's rocket, the landing was successful. Thank you so much for watching. Leave your like and write in the comments which video you like the most. See you soon. Peace.